Hello students, welcome in Maths online class. Myself Deepika. In our previous class, we have learned the new method of multiplication, which is lattice method, and I have given you one assignment. Find the product by lattice method. So today, first we will discuss the answers of that assignment. So the first was 18 multiplied by 4. So I told you, I have taught you that when you have to multiply two digit by one digit, what you have to do? You have to make two square boxes, and after that you have to divide that square boxes into half. Now two digit we will write on the top, 1 and 8, and 4 we will write in the right side. We start with the 8, so 4 8s are 32. This is the place to write digit of tens, and this is the place to write digit of ones. In 32, 2 comes in ones place and 3 comes in tens place. Now the next 4 multiplied by 1. So 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. So 4 comes in ones place. In tens place we don't have any digit, so we will put 0 here. Now we have to follow that arrows for addition. So here in this we have 2 only. Here 4 and 3. So 4 plus 3, 7. And here 0. When 0 comes before digit, there is no meaning of 0. So the product is 72. The next is 315 multiplied by 3. When we have 3 digit and we have to multiply by 1, we will make 3 square boxes and we write this digit on the top. 315 we will write on the top and 3 we will write in the right side. After making that square box, we will divide this square box into half. Let's start multiplication. 3 multiplied by 5. 3 5s are 15. So here 1 and 5. 5 comes in ones column and 1 comes in tens column. Now 3 multiplied by 1. So 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. 3 comes in ones column and in tens column we don't have digit, so we will put here 0. Now 3 3s are 9. So 9 comes in ones and 0 comes in tens. Now it's addition time. So we will follow the arrow. Here comes 5. Here 3 and 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. Now 9 plus 0, it's 9. And here 0. Now we will read the digit 945. And 0, there is no meaning of 0 before the digit. So the product is 945. The next one is 46 multiplied by 25. We have to multiply 2 digit by 2 digit. For that we have to make 4 square boxes. 2 rows of 2 boxes. So we will make first all the boxes, then we divide into half all the box. Then 46, the first number we will write on the top, 4 and 6, and this 25 we will write in the right side, 2 5. Now we will start multiplication with 2 here. So 2 multiplied by 6 first. So 2 6 are 12. 2 comes in ones, 1 comes in tens. Now 2 multiplied by 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 comes in ones. Here 0. Now we start with the next number. We have completed with the 2. Now we start with the 5. 5 6 are 30. So 30, 0 comes in ones column and 3 comes in tens column. Now 5 4s are 20. So from 20, 0 comes in ones column and 2 comes in tens column. Now we have to follow these arrows for the addition. Here 0 comes. Here 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Now here 2 plus 8. 10. 10 plus 1, 11. We have two digits, 11. So we can't write here 11 together. What we have to do? From 11, 1's digit we will write here, and 10's digit we carry over to the next. Now here 0 and this carryover is there. So this carryover we will write here. Now we will read the answer like 1150. The product is 1150. So I hope you all must have done this work and check it if you have done correctly or not. Now today we are starting word problems in multiplication. Whenever we have to do word problems, the first very important thing is that we have to read our problem very carefully. The second, after reading word problem, we have to try to understand the problem, what question is asking. And then we have to write information, and after writing the information, start solving the word problem. So first we are reading our word problem and try to understand that what we have to do. A mathematics book for class 4 has 216 pages. A mathematics book, it means in mathematics books there are 416 pages in one book. How many pages will 45 copies of the same book have? It means we know that in one book there are 216 pages. Now we have to find 45 copies of the same book, number of pages from 45 copies. When we have an information of 1 and we have to find more. Understand properly, when we have a information of 1 and we have to find more, that time we do multiplication. That time what we have to do? We have to do multiplication. So now we will write our statement. The first is number of pages in one book. So a mathematics book for class 4th has 216 pages. So we will write here 216 pages. Now number of copies. So how many copies are here? 45. So we will write 45. Now number of pages in 45 such copies. We have information of 1. We have to find for more. For that we will do multiplication. Now for multiplication we will do working note separately here. In working note, first we will write the places in the short form. Then we will arrange the number in column. Here 216 multiplied by 45. So we start with the ones, 6, 1, 2. Then multiply by 5, 4. Start multiplication by ones digit. 5 6 are 30. So 30 0 here and 3 carry over. Now 5 1s are 5 plus 3 8. Now 5 2s are 10. So we don't have any digit here in the thousand. So we will write this 10 down. Now we have to start with the 4. 4 6 are 24. Before starting tens, by tens we will put here sign of multiplication. Now 4 6 are 24. We will write 4 here and 2 carry over. Now 4 1s are 4 plus 2 6. 4 2s are 8. Now we have find the product. So we will add here 0, 8 plus 4, 12. 2 here and 1 carry over. Now 6 plus 1, 7. Here 1 plus 8, 9. So the answer is 9720. So we will write our answer. Therefore 9720 pages will 45 such copies have. In one book there are 216 pages. In 45 books there are 9720 pages. So in this way we have to solve our word problem. Let's take one more word problem. Now Mrs. Bharti has 415. Mrs. Bharti has 415 20 rupee note. How much money does she have? So Mrs. Bharti has the number of notes is 450 and note of 20 rupees. So we have to do multiplication here. So note of rupees 20, number of rupees 20 note 415. We have a information of 1. We have to find for more. So we will do multiplication. So amount with her 415 multiplied by 20. For that also we will do working note separately. We will write all the places in the short form. Then we will arrange the numbers in the column. 415 multiplied by 20. Start with the ones. 0 multiplied by any number 0. 0 multiplied by 5, 0, 0 multiplied by 1, 0, 0 multiplied by 4, 0. Now we have to start with the tens. When we start with the tens, we put here the sign of multiplication. 2 5s are 10. So 0 here, 1 carry over. Now 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. 2 4s are 8. Here now we have to do addition. So we will put the sign of addition. 0, 0, 3 and 8. So 8,300. Therefore total amount with her rupees 8,300. Let's take one more word problem. A factory produces 327 tube light in a day. In a day means in one day a factory produces 327 tube lights. So we have an information of one day. How many tube lights can it produce in the month of February in a leap year? In a leap year. So we have an information of one day. The number of tube light is 327. Now we have to find that in February month how many tube light will produced. So in February month, in normal year there are 28 days in the February. We know about that number of days in the month of February is 28. But in the leap year, the number of days in February is 29. So it means we have to find that if in one day 327 tube lights produce, then 29 days. In 29 days, how many tube lights will produced? So first we will write the statement. Number of tube lights produced in one day. So in one day 327, we have this information. Now number of days in the month of February in a leap year is 29 days. So total number of tube lights produced in February. We have information of 1. We have to find more. So we will do multiplication. 327 multiplied by 29. First we will write all the places in the short form, then arrange the number, then start with the ones. 9 7s are 63. So 3 here and 6 carry over. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 6 24. 4 here and 2 carry over. Now 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 2 29. So we don't have in thousand any digit, so we will write 29 here. Now we have to start with the 10. So we will put here sign of multiplication. 2 7s are 14. 4 here and 1 carry over. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 2 3s are 6. Now we have found the product, so now we will add. So here 3, 4 plus 4 8, 9 plus 5 14, 4 here and 1 carry over, 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9. So the answer is 9483. Now we will write our answer. Therefore 9483 tube lights produced in February. So in this way we have to solve our word problems. First we have to read our word problem, then try to understand, then you will write the information. After that try to solve the word problem. Now it's assignment time. So in today's assignment I have given you 2 word problems. A recipe of cake requires 345 gram of sugar. So in one cake we need 345 gram of sugar. How much sugar is required for making 12 such cakes? So for one cake the quantity of sugar is given. We have to find for 12 cake. So when we have an information of 1, we have to find for more. We do multiplication. So we will do multiplication in this. Now how we will write the statement? You will write quantity of sugar required for one cake. So quantity of sugar required for one cake is 345 gram. Now the same quantity of sugar required for 12 cake. So what you will do? 345 multiply by 12. We know that in one cake we require 345 gram. So for 12 cake we will do multiplication. After that you will multiply in the working note separately, then write your answer. The next word problem is there are 316 biscuits in a tin. It means in one tin there are 316 biscuits. How many biscuits will be there in 25 such tin? See, you have a information of one tin, that if in one tin 316 biscuits are there, then in 25 tins, so 316 multiply by 25. So in this way you have to solve the word problems. All the very best students. I hope you must have learned how to do word problems and you will do your assignment very easily.